Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to refill or top up um full of your Smart for 2. So here we can see the fuel tank is nearly empty, so we have to get a new petrol in it. For this, we have to look at the octane rating. Let's open the cover. Here we are. Right side, open it, job's done. Here you can see you can unleaded fuel only and from 95. That means spark ignition engines are designed to burn gasoline in a controlled process called deflagration. And there are some octane rules. And we are going to use now super unleaded fuel. This is in the United States of America is a premium. Oh yeah, get it in position as you can see. You can see super is green, and now we can use the pistol to lock this trigger. If the trigger is locked, we can start refilling our tank. This job's done. It will stop automatically if the full tank is really full. Now you can remove the fuel pistol after it drops a little bit out of it, and then get it back into the station. Job's done. Now we have to get back the cover in position, and that it is how to re-top or refill your Smart for 2 tank. There's one thing left. If you're going to check the kilometer range, you have to program it now. Now we can delete the trip now by using the right lever and the setup and OK button. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.